Did you know that anthologies are one of the best ways to kick off your successful author journey? Anthologies work because it's not just you doing the marketing, your co authors are marketing as well. And the best part, they're all sending traffic to your website. Today, I'll show you how anthologies work to drive traffic to your website. Hey there, and thank you for tuning in. I'm so happy you're here, whether it's for the first time or you're back for more. Either way, I appreciate you taking time out of your busy schedule. I'm Carol J. Dunlop, the online wow strategist and 5-time Amazon bestselling author. On this channel, I teach transformation specialists to convert marketing into money using their wow website to attract the clients you need to live the lifestyle you want. Let's head into the lab so I can show you how this anthology thing works.
We're going to talk about how to use anthologies to get traffic to your website. First, you may be asking, what is an anthology? And that's very simple. It is a collection of poems or other writings, meaning chapters in a book, that you publish in a book format. I'm sure you've seen them. There are a book that says so many authors have gotten together to write on this one subject. It's really pretty cool. So you may ask, how many people do you need? Well, as many as you can manage. Right now, I think my publisher, who's going to help me with one book that I'm going to tell you about in a second, said that Amazon was limiting it to like 10 authors, or they would only show 10 authors on the front of the book. So I would say 10 people altogether is pretty good. Anything longer than that, I don't know if people are going to read it. It seems just like a lot. Of course, by the way I'm telling you, you'll be able to promote it, but just wrangling all those people together is a whole lot. So I'm going to share with you, I've participated in 3 different anthologies. So how do they bring traffic to your website? That's pretty simple. You create the project. You invite the people. Once they say, yes, I want to do it, then you set up everything else. So it could be a book about domestic violence, overcoming domestic violence. Maybe you have a lot of people who are talking about how they overcame domestic violence. Each of them gets a chapter in this. And let's say you have 10 people, like I said, and then that means that each person is going to tell their own story, so each person is going to promote it. Each person is going to bring a certain amount of people to actually purchase the project or go see the project. So you're going to actually host the project on your website, the marketing for it. Amazon is probably going to be the platform that you use to upload it to, but you're going to host the project on your website. Everyone is going to be marketing and promoting, and guess what? It's all coming to your website. So then people come to your website, they purchase from there. It's just like they're being introduced to you. They may have heard about the project from one of the authors who's in the project, but now they're on your website. But the main ingredient is YOU. You created the project, you host the project, you put the project on your website. The authors and their audience are all coming to your website to purchase everything, even though everyone gets a piece of it because you're all collaborating and focusing on this one project. You really are going to get the most out of it because they're coming to your website to see about purchasing. So as I said before, I participated in 3 anthologies. My first one was Write Books That Sell Now. It was actually my first ever book that I had created. That was a book. Now I've created other ebooks and stuff, especially because I was a personal trainer before, and I've created ebooks that were for marketing my personal training business, but I never created anything for our Creative Services International. So me and 2 other ladies in the Write Books That Sell Now business wrote this book. Actually, one of them said, we're going to write a book to promote this program. And I was like, really? Oh, my God, shaking in my boots. So we did it. It was great. We had a great time. It is no longer in print right now, but it still put me on the map as an author. The second one is another book that's coming out later this year. It's called Tech Magic. And it's a collaborative anthology book about using technology to move your business forward. It's me and I think 7 or 8 other authors. It's going to be really cool. We've been working on this project for a long, long time now. It seems like over a year. But it will be out by the end of this year. And then finally, the 90-Day Gratitude Journal for Your Business. I'm so excited about this one because this is my baby. And even though I am in it's a collaborative book with other women business owners. I'm the one that created it. I'm doing the thing. I'm hosting it. I created it. People are going to come to my website. So you can do this same thing. And it's a guided journal, which is very hot right now. All right, so how do these things bring traffic to your website? It's very simple. The author's audience, the author promotes it to their audience. Everyone comes to your website. So say if you have 10 authors, that's 10 people who are promoting and bringing people to your website. Their audience, they're using social media, they're using email, they're using videos, whatever they can to promote it, because the thing is, they're now an author, they're happy, their crowd is happy that they're doing what they're doing, and they're going to support them. So they come to your website, they find out about you, boom, it's all great. It's all great and gravy, right? All right, so I was telling you how you can get on my list and get a free gift. So if you actually scan this QR code, it will take you to this website, csicorporation.com/7-strategies, where you can download 7 strategies for turning web traffic into web clients. It'll put you on the list, and I will be letting you know about all the launch events that we have coming up. Plus, it's going to let you know about how you can get some freebies yourself. So now I would like for you to subscribe. I would love to have you subscribe. If you would like to share this with someone who needs to know about this information, please do that. Tag a friend. Keep up to date, because I bring the website marketing nuggets to you every Monday, and then they actually live on the YouTube channel. So you can get them however you like, your favorite channel, your favorite way of watching. So I think that's all that I have for you today. If you have any questions, please reach out. Go to csicorporation.com. First of all, go ahead and download your strategies, but you can also go to the website and connect with me, contact me if you have any questions, and I will see you again. Bye for now.